Hi, I'm Abby at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this new Volkswagen vehicle. And here we have this lovely Volkswagen California Surf, which comes in that classic candy white paint. And this 7-speed DSG automatic comes and joins our new stock, having only done delivery miles, boasting a 2-litre diesel engine with 150 PS power output. And you have that lovely Volkswagen chrome badge in the centre of the grille there, along with your LED headlights providing you great visibility at all weather conditions. Behind there you've got some lovely California detailing, and your fully electrically operated heated wing mirrors. And you'll benefit from parking sensors along the front and the rear bumper for easy and safe manoeuvring. And to the side of the vehicle you have your water intake and your charging point for your leisure battery with some lovely California Surf detailing above. And opening up the tailgate will reveal a very spacious interior with your folded up comfort mattress, and above the tailgate you have a zip up compartment which will hold 2 outdoor chairs. In the rear of the vehicle you have these 2 very stylish comfortable seats, which come complete with ISOFIX child support points and a storage drawer just underneath. And these seats are able to fold down completely to form a bed, and alongside your comfort mattress it will provide you a very comfortable sleep. And there are also blinds around this vehicle for additional privacy control. And there's also an additional bed up in the pop-up roof which will again sleep 2 people. And this bed is easily able to lift up completely to increase your space inside the van. And you have plenty of storage behind the 2 rear seats, as well as a storage compartment just to the side here which includes a mirrored door and a hanging rail for your clothes. And taking a look into the kitchen area of the vehicle you have your refrigerator. You also have a 2-cooker hob, along with a sink at the end, and underneath there you have plenty of storage for all of your kitchen utensils. And you also have plenty of power outlet and light switches around this vehicle. The 2 front seats are able to spin 180 degrees to face the passengers in the rear, fully complemented by a table in the centre. And taking a brief look into the driver's cockpit will reveal a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, a beautiful infotainment system and a lovely overall design. Just to the right of the driver's door you have your easy-to-use electrical wing mirror controls, and your headlight and fog lamp controls are easily accessed below. The right side of your multifunction steering wheel will enable you to answer and end calls and access the vehicle's safety features, and on the left you have your audio adjustments and your cruise control settings. And there are plenty of options for you to access from the main menu of your infotainment system, including DAB digital radio, telephone, Bluetooth and other media functions. You are also able to connect your phone via Bluetooth for hands-free calling, and you also have voice activation as well as App Connect, allowing you to connect your phone via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to mirror applications such as Spotify and Apple Music and plenty of other road-safe apps. You are also able to view your vehicle status and your driving data, as well as your assist systems through the IQ Drive functions, and your front and rear parking sensors. And just below the infotainment system you have your climate controls operated by the 3 rotary dials in the centre, and in front of there you have your automatic DSG gearbox. These buttons here will activate your parking sensors and your start-stop technology, and below there you have an electronic cigarette lighter, a handy cup holder and 2 USB-C ports, with a 12-volt power outlet just along the dashboard. And above the driver and the passenger seat you have your emergency e-call system and a screen to control functions such as your pop-up roof and auxiliary heating. So this vehicle comes with a 3 years manufacturer's warranty, 1 year roadside assistance and much more. And if you'd like to acquire today or book a test drive, please don't hesitate to give our friendly team a call on 0151 515 2911 or go online today.